Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an art or craft activity like painting, woodwork, etc. that you had at school. So please, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, art and craft play a pivotal role in our life because it colligates us in with our traditions and cultures, and it also tells us about our roots, where from our roots are belonging to. And today I'm gonna share you event that held in our university. That was held in our university. It was an art festival exhibition. It was arranged by a charity trust who aimed to collect donation from the painting that was going to be made by the different participants. So I took part on that exhibition, and I was really enthusiastic, and it was really challenging for me as well, because I have never been into painting before that. So I personally visited.
I had never been into painting before that. I had. Okay, carry on.
I had. So I decided to make a painting on walled city. So for that purpose, I had to visit. Visited walled city personally, and to see the structure of the buildings, because they were so ancient. So I had to keep in mind all the things that I'm gonna portray in my painting. So I made the painting, and without being pompous, it was turned out to be a very like evenly a masterpiece. I got really appreciations from the audience, and I was also awarded with the money that I donated.
All right, you have spoken for around 2 minutes. Overall it is good, but there are few slips. Slip means the wrong tense. Like you said before that, I had never done that, something like you said, I have never done that, right? So then you said had to visited. After two, we never use with, yeah. So these type of small mistakes, but otherwise you spoke well, you expressed very well on this topic, you spoke fluently, you have good pronunciation as well. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kinds of traditional handicrafts are there in your country?
Well, there are various kind of arts and craft in my country, because the most famous art are related to with the literature and the tradition and cultural, and because they give us a lot of information about the history and about the you can say, I just forgot.
Okay, let's move on. Should children learn more about art?
Yes, definitely. They should have learned more about art.
Should have learned. They should learn.
They should learn more about arts, but because as I mentioned before, it relates to with your culture and tradition, and it gives you pleasure, because art is something which is really sublime. It's a sublime thing to do when you have extra time, and you can carry it as an activity.
Why do some people think it is difficult to understand art?
Because initially they are not taught in a way that they could understand the art, what actually art is. So if we teach our children or younger, so they'll be able to know what actually art is. So it depends upon the parents that whether they want to tell them about their culture or tradition or not.
Okay, all right. Overall your answers are good, but in part 3 you need to focus the question and don't forget the question. There are some minor mistakes which you need to work on, but overall your speaking expression is good. So with this type of speaking, now there are two things. If the examiner is very critical, or if examiner evaluates you very critically, then they will give you 6.5, otherwise you will get 7, right? So I rate you at 7.
Okay.
Thank you.